sun move.
You ever drive on highway in America, rush hour, sun not even up, yet cars already stacked like mammoth bones? Everybody honk, everybody mad, everybody late. Road belong to all, but too many use. So road turn into stone river, stuck, no move. That, tribe, is tragedy, not of one man, but of the commons. Think big lake in Minnesota. You, me, neighbor, all fish same water. Each think, me only take little, just few shiny fish. But soon, net's empty, belly's empty, future empty. Nobody mean to kill lake, but all together, boom, lake dead. Or remember toilet paper war of 2020. One human grab cart full, another grab 2 carts. Shelves clean faster than deer run from fire. Not because tribe hate each other, but because everyone think, if me not grab now, no roll left for later. End up all suffer, grandma, neighbor, even you with sad bathroom walk. This is the curse when resource belong to everyone, but no one. Forest, air, water, highway, even store shelf. Tribe share, but tribe also destroy. Economists call this the tragedy of the commons. Durucha call it oops. Tribe broke the fire pit. But why should you care? Why this matter for you in America today? Why you should care? Commons not far away story. Commons live in daily America. Think air. In 1960s, Los Angeles air so thick with smog you cough just stepping outside. Children lungs weak, sky orange like fireball. Only after the Clean Air Act did sky clear. That commons was your breath. Think water. In California, drought means farmer want water for almond trees. Families want water for shower. Rivers want water for fish. Everyone grab, rivers shrink, fights grow, prices rise, neighbors angry. Think roads. Gridlock not just make you late, it eat money. America lose over $120 billion every year just sitting in traffic. Time wasted, gas wasted, patience fried like egg on hot car hood. And commons biggest of all, climate. Every tribe burn oil, coal, gas. Smoke make planet hot. You feel it in stronger storms, floods, fires, and grocery bills when crops fail. So I care? Because commons collapse is not theory. It sneak into your commute, your dinner plate, your air. If tribe not guard commons, tribe pay in dollars, jobs, health, even survival. But how commons fall apart? If humans smart enough for iPhone, why dumb with forest, lake, sky? How the commons gets overused? Simple. If me no take, neighbor take. If neighbor no take, stranger take. Everyone think. Better grab now before gone. One person acts smart, many people act same. Tribe ruin everything. Think buffet in Las Vegas. Crab Leg Mountain. One diner pile high, second diner pile higher. Soon plate look like tower of seafood doom. Crab gone, kitchen empty, tribe angry. Or Costco free sample day. Lady give tiny sausage bite. You say, me just try one. Brain whisper, maybe 2, maybe 4. Multiply by 100 shoppers, tray vanish in seconds. Same in bigger scale. Atlantic Ocean once full of fish. Each boat say, me catch big haul, make money today. Every captain thinks same. Result, net's empty, industry die. This is tragedy. Individual logic smart, group logic dumb. Me grab more firewood now, me warm tonight. But when all tribe grab same, no tree left for winter. And this not just funny buffet problem. Real American towns collapsed because of commons mistake. Codfish in New England. For centuries, ocean gave endless supply. Fishermen bring home cod so big, towns smelled of fried fish. Then came bigger nets, greedier seasons. By 1990s, ocean empty, 95% cod gone, boats rot, jobs vanish, towns hollow, commons lost, pride lost. Water war in California. Farmer want water for tree, family want water for home, salmon need water for river, but river not stretch like chewing gum. Wells dry, ground sink, lawsuits fly, dirty sky in Los Angeles. In 1970s, smog so thick children wear masks, old people wheeze, sky orange at noon. Only after Clean Air Act did lungs breathe easy. Proof commons can be saved, but only after paying. And today, climate. Fires bigger, storms stronger, grocery bills rise. Commons tragedy now global. One spark may not burn forest, but million sparks do. See, commons tragedy not caveman myth. It shaped real lives, real towns, real food. So question comes, If humans already know this, why still repeat mistake? Aren't we smarter now? Tell me, tribe. Humans build rocket, send man to moon, carry tiny glowing box to watch cat videos. So smart, yes? Then why so dumb with comments? Truth is, human brain wired for short-term win. Grab now, worry later. Caveman wiring still inside. Except now berry is gas, fish, Wi-Fi bandwidth, even Walmart parking spot. Another reason, humans trust self but not neighbor. If I save water but neighbor waste, what good? So each say, me just one person, not matter. Multiply by millions, commons collapse. And greed, company think of quarterly profit, politician think of next election, driver think of cutting line at exit ramp. Everyone rational and moment, irrational together. Strange, yes? Nation that invent internet cannot figure out how to share road. Country that split atom cannot split shores fairly. So, if so advanced, why can't humans stop commons breaking? How to stop commons from burning down? Three main tricks. First, make it private. If lake belong to one family, they care, they protect. Like rancher in Texas manage grass for cattle, ownership turns tragedy into responsibility. But not all commons can be owned. Who owns sky? Who slice ocean into property lines? Second, rules from above. Government step in, blow whistle, say enough. Clean Air Act forced factories to change, cut smog, save lives. Fishing quotas in New England limit catch. Rules hurt short term, protect long term. But too weak, commons still collapse. Too strict, people rebel. Third, tribes self-manage. Nobel Prize idea from Eleanor Ostrom. Local communities set rules, punish cheaters. Maine lobstermen protect lobster by trap limits and guarding territory. Result, lobster thrive, jobs survive. So commons not hopeless curse. With ownership, rules, or cooperation, humans can fight tragedy. Hard, yes. Costly, yes. But better try than let fire die out. What it means for you. Commons not just ocean or sky. Commons live in your daily life too. Recycle a can, save water and shower, carpool with neighbor. You add wood to campfire. Small stick, yes. But when millions add together, flames stay alive. Vote for leader who protect air and river. Choose tribe future. Decide not to waste food. Keep farmland safe. Respect rules. Guard commons. One action may feel tiny, but multiplied by millions. It shaped tomorrow. Picture a campfire in dark night. If each take wood, but no one add, fire die. But if each share a little, one branch here, one twig there. Fire glow, tribe warm, story continue. That is the commons. Not owned by you, not owned by me, but by us. Fragile, easy to lose, but possible to save. If we see ourselves not as lone hunters, but as members of same fire circle. So next time you sit in traffic, see empty shelf, or breathe clean air after rain, remember, commons survive only when tribe act together. That's all for today. Guru Cha vanished now.